अस्सलाम वालेकुम मदर्स, कैसी हैं आप? बिल्कुल मैं ठीक ठाक हूँ। और ये एक नया टॉपिक है, दैट इज एडिशन यूजिंग माइंड एंड फिंगर्स। तो दैट विल बी द कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ माइंड एंड फिंगर्स। हम क्या करेंगे कि जो बड़ा नंबर होगा वो हम अपने माइंड में रखेंगे और फिंगर्स में हम वो नंबर फाइंड आउट वो चूज करेंगे जो हमारी फिंगर्स के एक्सेस में पूरा आ जाएगा। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, लेट्स टेक द फर्स्ट सम दैट इज 10 + 4। तो हम बड़ा नंबर पहले चूज करेंगे, दैट इज 4। 10 will that is 10. So 10 will be in our mind. We will say 10 in our mind and we will take out 4 fingers. स्मॉलर नंबर को हम फिंगर्स पे रखेंगे, बिगर नंबर को हम माइंड में रखेंगे। बिगर नंबर वाला जो नंबर है दैट इज 10, हम उससे ऑनवर्ड 4 काउंट करेंगे। 10 is in our mind and we will take out 4 fingers and we will do forward counting, that is 11, 12, 13 and 14. So the answer is 14. Always remember, bigger number will be in our mind and smaller number will be on the fingers to make the sum easy. Let's do another sum, that is 22 + 1. What is the answer? So we will say 22 will be in our mind. Why? Because 22 is bigger number. This will be in our mind. M is for mind and 1 is on fingers. ठीक है? 22 will be in our mind and we will take out how many fingers? We will take out 1 finger and we will do forward counting after this number. We will not count this number on the fingers. So 22 is in our mind and we will take out 1 more finger and we will do forward counting after 22. So what is the next number after 22? That is 23. So this is 23. 22 + 1 is 23. I think I have taken 22, a bigger number, a much more bigger number. So let's take a smaller number. For example, let's say 11 + 1, 11 + 4. So what is the bigger number in this sum? This is the bigger number and this is the smaller number. So this number that is circled, that is 11. 11 will be in our mind and 4, it is smaller number, that will be on the fingers. So we will do forward counting after this number which is in our mind. We will not count 11 on the finger. We will count the very next number that is after 11. What is that number? That is number 12. 12, 13, 14 and 15. So what is the answer of 11 + 4? That is 15. In this way, we can find out the addition sum using mind and fingers. Let's take some more examples. 13 + 5. What's the answer? What is the bigger number over here? 13 is the bigger number. What is the smaller number? 5 is smaller number. Okay, so we will take the bigger number in our mind, that is 13, and we will take the smaller number on our fingers, that is number 5. We will not count 13 on the fingers. We will count the very next number that is after 13, that is number 14. 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18. So what is the answer of 13 + 5? That is number 18. In this way, we can find out a very huge number of sums in after a few seconds of working. So that is the simplest way of finding the answers. Just always remember that this is not compulsory that the number on the extreme left or the very first number is always kept in our mind. Let's take one more example. 3 + 15. What is the answer? The smaller number is this, that will be on the fingers. The bigger number is 15, that will be in our mind. So we will say 15 is in our mind and we will take out 3 more fingers and we will do forward counting after 15, after this number. We will not count 15 on the finger, we will count the very next number that is after 15, that is 16. 16, 17 and 18. So what is the answer of 3 plus 15? That is number 80. तो इस तरह से हम हर तरह का sum within seconds of working we can find out the answer. So I hope that this video is very helpful for you. Please do comments and like and share my video. And if you have not subscribed my channel, please do not forget to subscribe the channel as well. Thank you so much.